What's the meaning of avionics? Avionics. Avionics.
Avionics. Avionics. Avionics refers to the electronic systems used in aircraft, including communication, navigation, and monitoring equipment. These systems are essential for safe and efficient flight operations. Avionics can include instruments like altimeters, airspeed indicators, and attitude indicators, as well as radar or GPS navigation, radios, autopilot systems, and other controls. Modern avionics technologies have enabled enhanced safety features such as collision avoidance systems, advanced weather detection, and more precise navigational capabilities. Overall, avionics play a critical role in modern aviation, helping pilots to operate their aircraft safely and effectively.